Hi friends, this is the Lehoo Castle space project for the kids, and you can see that it comes in a really good packing that is not like sturdy and good. And this is all the project, like the parts you can make from this toy. This is good for kids to assemble, deassemble and learn about space. Let me open and see like what exactly inside this box. So it looks like it comes in small packing for each of this things that described on the box. So here is the rocket, and this one is the assembly part. What is the exact part is okay here. It's like a launcher, space shuttle, then astronaut, the spaceship part, so I will describe all this thing later on. I'm just showing you how many parts it have. Okay, so let's open this one and see what's inside. So you can see the part itself. This comes in assembled already. You can deassemble these parts and then assemble it again. This one is the second part, and there is a note along with this as well. So you can see that these parts can be assembled and deassembled anytime. This is like soft material, I will say. I think this is for the kids' safety, and you can see like I'm just trying to fix this, just like the parts itself. The bottom, you can see the quality of this product looks fine, and here is the note that comes with it that costs like the lunar launcher, lunar lander, I'm sorry, so lunar lander, and then there is a detail about it, and then it shows like how many parts this whole unit have. So it is like 37 pieces in this whole unit that you can deassemble and then you can assemble back again. So this shows all the part in the notes. So I think in the similarly, like if you see this one is the space capsule. So there will be detail like what is a space capsule. So it's good for the knowledge of the kids that they can learn about it. And then on the back of those notes there is a pack with different parts that you can deassemble and assemble and then make your things. So here, like in the back of this, you can see all the different parts. I'm trying to put one by one all those things so that I can show later on all together. This is the astronaut, and here they mentioned about the astronaut, like the trivial fact or the knowledge bits, and here the leg is out, so I'm just trying to put that leg back in. So here in this part you will see that there is a socket that just go inside easily. That's it. So it's pretty easy to assemble, and I think looks like it's pretty easy to deassemble as well. So here are the parts thing. So there are 28 parts in this astronaut, and this shows like how much time this will take for the kit to assemble, and if it is a normal or easy or thing. And I think there is one more game the kids can play, like they can set a timer or they can set a stopwatch and see like how much time they took to assemble or deassemble the whole product, and they can match their time with the time shown on those notes. So here is the rocket part. So again the facts, and in the back it shows like there are 18 parts in this and the time a kid can take to cover up or to assemble all these parts. So you can see these two sockets, just put in there because most of the part is already assembled, so I don't need to deassemble and assemble everything, but the details are there in each note. It's like a rubbery structure so that the kids safe material, and it's pretty fun for kids, and I think they can put on their study table. So here everything that comes in this box. The kids will enjoy and they can put themselves in work and learn as well by disassembling these parts. So this is all for like the kids want to a space explorer. They can learn this basic astronaut, space rocket launcher and stuff, and then work with that. They can also paint these, so if you want to put their own colors they can do that. It's really fun.